Shit, it's like 5 in the morning. I'm pretty much ready to go and start the trip. Bike is all set, of course, besides fuel. So we are meeting up with the guys at 6 in the morning at the rest area, and then we're going. Alright, looks like we got everybody over here. It's supposed to be 11-12 bikes, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 bikes. That's still pretty good. We got a couple Harleys, Triumph, Sportster tricycle, that's something new, BMW, and another Harley. So far, nothing interesting. First stop for some fuel. We already did 120 miles, so well, we got a pretty good time. So we are at the Silver Lake Dunes. So I'm not sure if we're gonna go into the water, but it's 80 degrees outside, so we'll see. Yeah, I had to take a quick stop because, of course, the battery in GoPro died when something interesting is happening. Yep, so first pretty cool spot, it's Silver Lake, and they got pretty cool lighthouse over here. Check it out. Alright, so let's check out the bikes, what we got this time. My ELECTRA, got custom Sportster 1200. Got Road King, Kawasaki, but I'm not sure what was the name of the model. It's a 2-liter bike. Road Glide. That's a Triumph Tiger 800. And then we got BMW. 6-cylinder motorcycle. Crazy. Alright, so just got another fuel stop. Got extra rider with us on BMW. We're almost good to go. I think we got like 2-3 hours to go. Finally, something nice. So that's Traverse City, Michigan. This city is pretty cool. We got some cool bars over here. It seems like everything's open. Oh no. Oh no. Are they gonna open the bridge? Bridge is going up. Alright, the bridge went down and we should be good to go. Damn, this place is awesome. And right now we are going towards Town of the Trees. I've never been there before, but I heard that it's a pretty awesome spot. I think that's going to be the highlight of this trip. Alright, so it looks like we made it to the Town of the Trees. And it looks like it's a one-way. Interesting. Very cool spot. I'm not sure how it's going to come out on the camera because the sun is like right in my face. But the pavement is not too perfect over here. A lot of bumps. So you gotta be careful. Shit, look at you. Man. Wow. got ELECTRA right over here. Wow. It's almost like Tail of the Dragon, but the road over here is pretty dangerous. It's pretty much like one wide lane. Shit. There was like some sand on or gravel on a turn. Gotta be super careful. So it looks like it's a really one wide lane. It's not even a dividing lane in the middle. Alright, we are 6 miles from the hotel. We're gonna stop for the night. Looks like what we did today, yeah, shit, like 500 miles. Actually, it's pretty good. If you ever go around Lake Michigan, you gotta go to the Tunnel of the Trees. Pretty much the highlight of our trip. Pretty awesome, and I would say a little dangerous because there was a lot of gravel, a lot of sand, and the road is real narrow. So if you're a newbie, yeah, just go slow. So it's pretty much it for today. So we got a little bit over 500 miles, staying for the night in Michigan. So we made it to the hotel, and it's a little pricey, but I guess the view will do it. For 230 bucks, I guess it's not too bad. So I think right now we're just gonna go to the beach. Hopefully the water is warm. Gonna find out.